What's up, guys? It's Dawan, aka Curly Guy here, and I am back with another video. And let me just start off with saying thank you to Uncle Funky's daughter for partnering with me on this wash day routine. Of course, you guys know I am a nurse, so I wash my hair sometimes several days a week, depending on what I encounter during the week. So I'm just going to be showing you how I use these Uncle Funky's daughter to achieve my weekly wash. So right now I'm just in the shower. I'm just rinsing my hair, making sure it's all saturated, getting out any excess product buildup or anything like that. I also like to make sure that all of my hair is thoroughly touched by the water, making sure I'm getting the back and underneath as well. And then I'm going in with this first product, which is the Rich and Funky shampoo. So this product states to be a moisturizing cleanser, and this is actually a product I didn't even know Uncle Funky's daughter had. You guys know I've been using their products forever. I've used their build up product, and that's the one I usually use to cleanse my hair, especially if I'm gonna cleanse bi-weekly. But this shampoo cleanser was very, very good, you guys. I loved it. And then the next thing I'm going in with is the Richie Rich Hydrating Conditioner. Now this conditioner actually surprised me because it was very thick. I really liked how thick it was, but what surprised me the most about it was how my hair instantly started to soak it up. And as you'll see, I am doing a little bit of finger detangling here, but my hair really absorbed this conditioner, and that's one thing I really love in my conditioners, regardless of where they come from or what they're for. I love to see my hair absorb it because that lets me know that my hair is really responding well to the product. So as you just can see here, I'm just finger raking through a little bit to get out some excess tangles, and then I'm going to proceed to go ahead and detangle my entire hair with my tangle teaser. Moving on to out of the shower, I'm going to go ahead into deep conditioning. Now, if you guys been following me, you know I've used the Heal and Renew deep conditioner multiple times. I use it like religiously, actually. And as you can see, this section right here has already been thoroughly detangled, so it's going to make the application process a lot more seamless, which I love. As you can see, I just took probably about a quarter, maybe 2/4 sizes, and just put it onto this entire section, and it disperses throughout the section so well. As you can see, I did not have to break this section down anymore. It just went really easily throughout the entire quadrant. So I love that. A little bit of this product goes a long way. And as you can see, I'm just doing the same thing to this section and then just smoothing it through, because like I said, a little bit of this product goes a really long way. And once that's done, I'm just gonna go ahead and tie up the section and repeat that on the other side and wait to deep conditioning. Now moving on, I'm gonna be styling my hair with the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. You guys know I've also used this product numerous times and I really love it. It really is a summer product for me, but I'm finding that I haven't put it down for the fall months. I just love the consistency of it. I love how lightweight it is on my hair, but it still gives me some shine, moisture, and hold. So that's why I continue to use this product even throughout the fall and winter months. And as you can see, my hair is getting pretty defined from this. And I just love this if I have a specific type of wash and go on mine. Like this gives me a fluffier, bigger wash and go on like day one, but I still get some definition and all the benefits of the shine. And these products are, of course, sulfate free, paraben free and all of that. They're also color safe. So that's another thing I like about them, because my hair has been colored before. So I like a product that looks out for that. And I'm just going to speed through this so you guys can watch me. A lot of you guys always ask to see me apply the product, so I'm just showing you me applying it to this entire side. I also want to take this opportunity to mention that these products are available at Walmart. You can find these Uncle Funky Starter products at Walmart. And you can also use my coupon code to save some coins, which I will leave probably here on the screen and down below in the description. So I'm just going to do that on the other side. As you can see, my hair is fully saturated, and here are my final results. Like I said, my hair is fluffy, but it's still defined. I got some length, so it did give me a little bit of elongation. And I'm really happy with this. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check out the products down below, and I'll see you in my next one.